Today we are going to present on application of leadership approaches to James Gorman and Andy Jassy. And our module is International Leadership 7030 SSL. We are group number 60 and these are the team members. So these are the leaders, Andy Jassy and James Gorman. So about James Gorman, he is the voice of CEO excellence. James Gorman is an Australian American financier and has made significant contribution to the financial world. He's born on 14th of July 1958, and he's played a pivotal role at Morgan Stanley, which is a global investment bank. James Gorman is an influential figure in the financial service industry. Currently, he serves as the chairman and CEO of Morgan Stanley, which is a renowned financial investment bank. He joined Morgan Stanley in the year 2006 and has played a very important role. He received his education at St. Xavier College and went on to study law at the University of Melbourne, where he earned his Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Law. He then joined the law firm Philip Fox and Massell. Later, he pursued a Master of Business Administration from Columbia Business School in the US. Here, let us talk on the background of Morgan Stanley. So Morgan Stanley is a multinational financial service giant, which boasts a rich history dated back to 1935. Today, it stands as one of the world's leading financial institute, which offers a comprehensive suite of services. It's founded in the year 1935 by J.P. Morgan Jr. and Harold Stanley, which is headquartered in New York, and it has a global presence in more than 40 countries with 70,000 employees. James Gorman helped successfully navigate several financial crises, including the 2008 financial crisis, the Great Depression, and helped emerge as a leading Wall Street firm. They have consistently ranked among the top financial institutes globally in terms of revenue, profitability, and market capitalization. Now, let us look at the organizational leadership roles. James Gorman, leadership at Morgan Stanley, emphasizes his role in shaping the company's trajectory and its position as a global leader. Gorman honed his expertise through leadership position at Merrill Lynch in investment banking and McKinsey and Company in consultancy. He played a crucial role in the 2009 merger of Morgan Stanley and Smith Barney, creating a financial powerhouse and solidifying the company's position in the wealth management sector. Gorman has led Morgan Stanley in integrating sustainability, considering its investment and advisory services. Now let us see. James Gorman played a pivotal role in Morgan Stanley's growth and success during his tenure as CEO. Let's see the strategic vision. So Gorman is known for implementing a strategic vision that emphasizes the importance of wealth management and stability. Under his leadership, Morgan Stanley diversified its services, focusing not only on traditional investment banking, but also on wealth management and technology-driven solutions. Stabilizing the firm, Gorman played a crucial role in stabilizing Morgan Stanley after the global financial crisis. His leadership was instrumental in navigating the regulatory environment and strengthening the firm's financial position. On the wealth management focus, a key aspect of Gorman's leadership is to emphasize on wealth management. The acquisition of Smith Barney in 2009 marked a significant move towards expanding Morgan Stanley's wealth management business. Technology and innovation. Under this Gorman's leadership, Morgan Stanley embraced technological advancement to enhance its services. The firm invested in digital platform and innovation solution to meet the evolved need of the clients. Global perspective. As a leader of global financial institution, Gorman has overseen Morgan Stanley's operation on an international scale. His global perspective and strategic decision has positioned the firm as a key player in the global financial market. Now, let us focus on the path goal theory of leadership. So it's nothing but a theory that explains how leaders can adapt their behavior and style to the needs and characteristics of their followers and the situation. The theory also suggests how leaders can influence their followers' motivation, satisfaction, and performance by providing clear guidance, support, and rewards, while also helping followers navigate their path towards achieving their goal. Now, let us look at the path goal theory. Here, the leader should adapt their behavior and style to the followers' characteristics and environmental factors. Leaders can use these 4 factors, which is directive, supportive, participative, achievement orientation, and performance buy. In the directive side, it provides a clear instruction, expectation, and feedback. Supportive shows concern for followers' well being, needs, and emotions. Participation involves followers in decision making, problem solving, and goal setting. Achievement orientation set high standards, challenges, and goals for followers. Leaders can enhance followers' motivation and satisfaction. Performance by provides clear guidance, support, and rewards, helping followers navigate their path to success, removing obstacles and challenges along the way. Now, we are going to apply the path goal theory to James Gorman leadership. First comes the directive leadership. During challenging period in the financial industry, Gorman has demonstrated a directive leadership style. This involves providing specific instruction and expectations to navigate complexities effectively. Supportive leadership. Your government's leadership approach is marked by a strong emphasis on employee well being and satisfaction. This aligns with the supportive leadership style suggested by the path goal theory, as supportive leaders can enhance motivation and engagement. Participative leadership. You're fostering a culture of creativity, curiosity, and innovation. He encouraged experimentation and learning from failures, supporting research and development initiative. Achievement oriented leadership. A notable aspect of government's leadership is the focus of achieving strategic milestones. This reflects on achievement oriented leadership style, where he sets challenging goals, fostering a culture of accomplishment. Now, let us look into situational theory. It's nothing but a leadership that suggests that the most effective leaders adapt their style to the situation, the task, and the followers. There are four main styles of leadership. First is directing, coaching, supporting, and delegating. Each style has a different level of task and relationship orientation and can be applied depending on the maturity and readiness of the followers. The very first thing that we are going to see is directing. Government's early leadership at Morgan Stanley, especially during the times of organizational change or crisis, aligned with a directing style. This involves providing clear instruction and closely supervising tasks to achieve goal. He communicated his vision, set clear goals, and provided specific instruction to his team. He also made some bold and risky decisions, such as the acquisition of Smith Barney in 2009, marked a significant move towards expanding Morgan Stanley's wealth management business. The second is coaching. As the organization stabilizes, governments transition to a coaching style. This involves providing guidance and support to enhance employee skill and confidence. He involved the workforce in the decision making process, listening to different opinions and made decisions that align with the company's goals and values. Supporting. As he led a diversified and global workforce, he provided personalized attention and support to each followers. He recognized and developed their unique talent and potential. He also encouraged collaboration and teamwork amongst his team members. James was accessible and approachable to his employee and acted as a role model to them. Delegation. As he delegated some of his responsibilities to his successor, he gave more autonomy and authority to his team. He trusted them to make decisions and solve problems on their own. He also provided feedback and guidance when needed. Now, let us see the strengths and weaknesses. In the strength side, the very first thing, James Gormy boasts a long and successful career in the financial service industry, having served in various leadership positions at Merrill Lynch, Morgan Stanley, and ultimately taking the helm of Morgan Stanley in 2010. His proven ability to navigate complex business environment during his tenure at Morgan Stanley, Gorman successfully steered the company through the 2008 financial crisis and subsequently years of economic recovery. He's focused on innovation and modernization, wherein under government's leadership, Morgan Stanley has actively embraced technological advancement and invested heavily in digital platform and wealth management. Now, let us look into the potential consideration. He had limited experience outside of the financial investment industry. Similar to Andy Jassie's situation, Gorman's extensive career has been confined solely to the financial service sector. Criticism of risk management and compensation practice. During 2008 financial crisis, Morgan Stanley faced criticism for his risk management practices and high executive compensation level.
Thank you, Malin. So, in the further slide, we'll explore the remarkable leadership journey of Andy Jassy, who is the CEO of Amazon. We'll dwell into the key skill that honed and starting with the marketing expertise that propelled him from a marketing manager to the leader of world dominating cloud computing platform, AWS, and ultimately the help of Amazon itself. Moving on to the next slide. Let's discuss about the organizational background. So we'll first begin with early career and Amazon culture. In 1997, Jesse joined Amazon during a period of rapid growth. As he rose through this rank, he absorbed Jeff Bezos' day one culture, which includes customer obsession. Jesse's experience in marketing and business development honed his focus on customer needs, aligning him with the company core principle. Furthermore, his innovation and experimentation. Jesse co-founding of Amazon Web Services in 2003 exemplifies his embrace of experimentation and risk taking, a hallmark of Amazon's culture. Furthermore, leadership and Amazon Web Services. Jesse tenure at CEO of Amazon was from 2016 to 2021, which showcases his strategic vision. He transformed AWS from a fledgling internal service to a dominant cloud computing platform, demonstrating his strategic foresight and ability to capitalize on emerging market opportunities. Furthermore, his operational excellence under Jesse's leadership, AWS grew exponentially, highlighting his operational efficiency and ability to manage large, complex organizations. Further, his transition to a CEO of Amazon, Jesse's appointment as a CEO in 2021 signals the company confidence in his ability, which they had since day one. He managed to have the culture while adapting to the changing marketing dynamics. Jesse's understanding of Amazon core value will be crucial in navigating future challenges while maintaining the company's competitive edge. While discussing the critical consideration, while Jesse record suggests some strong leadership potential, his ability to replicate the success of AWS and adapt to the broader change of the company as a diverse as Amazon remains to be seen. Some argue that Jesse's close association with Amazon demanding work culture might raise concern about the employee well-being. Further on, move on to the next slide. So transformation model. So basically, transformational leadership is a style of leadership that focuses on elevating and developing both the leaders and followers. It goes beyond simply achieving tasks and aim to inspire followers to perform beyond expectation and transit their own self interest for the good of organization. So we'll see the transformation of the leadership skills of Andy Jassy. So in 1997, Jesse joined Amazon as a marketing manager a week before the company's IPO. In 2003, he led the launch of Amazon Marketplace, where he played a very crucial role in launching Amazon Web Services. In 2006, Jesse became the senior vice president of AWS business unit, signifying his leadership role. Furthermore, in 2012, Jesse is promoted to the senior vice president of Amazon Web Services worldwide, further solidifying his position as the helm of global cloud computing. In 2016, AWS revenue surpassed $35 billion, where he was officially leading the highly successful cloud platform. Under his leadership, AWS continued to experience significant growth and innovation. In 2021, Jesse takes the reign of CEO of Amazon, succeeding Jeff Bezos. This marks a new chapter in both Jesse's career and Amazon trajectory. Furthermore, in 2022, the Amazon market capitalization surpassed 2 trillion, where he mainly focuses on the growth areas. He prioritize expansion in advertising, healthcare, and cloud computing. He focused on technology advancement. He continued to invest in innovation to maintaining Amazon competitive edge. And in 2023, he made sure that he uh, uh, mitigated all the challenges like regulatory scrutiny and labor issues. Furthermore, the key aspects that made Andy Jassy a transformation leader are collaborative leadership style. Jesse promotes collaboration, open communication, teamwork, and address challenges effectively for fostering a culture of innovation and charge. His strategic vision. Jesse is known for a strategic vision guiding Amazon Web Services towards long-term success. His emphasis on leadership and transformation. He recognized the critical role of leadership in driving organizational transformation, highlighting its importance in achieving success. And lastly, his focus on digital transformation. Jesse emphasized on digital transformation and his role of leadership in overcoming challenges aligned with the transformation leadership principle. Furthermore, here we'll put Andy Jassy we'll apply the transformational theory model to the leadership style of Andy Jassy. So first we'll begin with the idealized influence. So the transformation leader are exposed to be an ethical model who inspire trust and process. However, concerned about Amazon treatment of worker and aggressive business practices under Jesse's leadership can be an issue. Furthermore, the inspirational motivation. Jesse has constantly emphasized Amazon customer-centric approach and the importance of innovation. This aligns with the inspiration motivation aspect of transformational leadership, where leaders provide a clear vision and motivates followers to achieve shared goals. Furthermore, the intellectual stimulation. Jesse's focus on encouraging critical thinking, creativity, and innovation among employees aligns with the intellectual stimulation concept. Further, the individualized consideration. Transformational leaders are expected to recognize and address individual needs and concerns, while Jesse emphasizes employee development. Reports of poor work life balance and high turnover rates suggested a disconnect between his stated intentions and employee experience uh, towards it. While Jesse's exhibit go back. While Jesse's exhibit inspirational motivation and intellectual stimulation aspects of his leadership raise concern about the adherence to idealized influence and individualized consideration. The criticism regarding Amazon work culture and business practice call into questions the ethical foundation and consideration of employee well-being. Now we'll put the three skill approach to apply three skill approach to NDJC. So first we'll begin with technical skill. Technical skill involves specialized knowledge and expertise required for specific organization tasks. Jesse has demonstrated strong technical proficiency, particularly in cloud computing, through his pivotal role in developing Amazon Web Services into a highly successful venture. His deep understanding of AWS, underlying technologies, and ability to scale it effectively highlights its technical competency. Is human skills involves human so basically human skill involves the ability to work effectively with people and lead team and manage interpersonal relationship. While Jesse has emphasized employee development and growth, concern has been raised about Amazon work culture and employee treatment, especially in the fulfillment center. This suggests that Jesse may need to further develop his human skill to foster a more supportive and inclusive organizational environment. Furthermore, the conceptual skill. So, conceptual skill involves strategic thinking, analyzing complex situation, and formulating long-term plans. And Jesse's vision of Amazon growth and innovation in areas like e-commerce, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence demonstrate his strong conceptual abilities. Furthermore, in summary, while Jesse exhibits strength in technical and conceptual skill, further development of human skill is crucial to address employee-related challenges and foster a positive organizational culture. Further, my friend Mohit will begin.
Thank you, Prayag. Let's discuss about the strengths and weaknesses of Jesse. The extensive experience with Amazon. Jesse spent over 27 years at Amazon, stating in marketing and rising through the ranks to become the CEO of the highly successful AWS division. This experience provided him with a deep understanding of Amazon's culture, business model, and its strengths and weaknesses. Studies like highlight the importance of understanding and existing organization's core values and culture of successful leadership transitions. Proven track record in building the scaling businesses. Under JC's leadership, AWS grew from a nascent offering to the world's leading cloud computing platform. The success demonstrates his ability to identify market opportunities, build high performing teams, and navigate the complex business challenges. Research suggests that the past experience in building and scaling business can be a valuable asset for CEOs. Focus on customer obsession. Jesse is known for his customer centric approach, emphasizing the importance of understanding and meeting customer needs at every turn. This aligns well with Amazon's customer obsession principle, a key driver of the company's success. Studies like this discuss the importance of customer focus in driving organizational success, highlighting JC's alignment with the core value. Next, potential considerations. Limited experience outside of Amazon. JC's entire career has been within Amazon, potentially limiting his exposure to different business models, leadership styles, and industry dynamics. While his experience within Amazon is extensive, research suggests that exposure to diverse organizational settings can be broaden a leader's perspective. Challenge of leading a large, diverse organization. Amazon is a vast and complex organization with diverse businesses and operations. Jesse may face challenges in effectively leading and strategizing of such a multifaceted entity. Research on effective leadership of a large organization can be help in this regard. Overall, Andy Jesse's organizational background possesses significant strength. Go back. Strengths, particularly his deep understanding of Amazon's and his proven track record in building successful business. However, his limited experience outside of Amazon and challenges of leading a large, diverse organization should be considered when evaluating his ability to effectively lead Amazon as CEO. Now, let's discuss about the conclusion part. They both are two influential leaders with distinct leadership styles. James Godman exhibited traits such as intelligence, self confidence, determination, integrity, and varying degrees of sociability. He was open, extroverted, and occasionally neurotic. Andy Jassy exhibited traits such as intelligence, self confidence, determination, integrity, and sociability. He was open, conscientious, agreeable, and emotionally stable. The path goal theory and situational leadership. Two contingency theories that focus on how leaders adapt to the needs of their followers and the situation. James Godman applied the path goal theory by providing clear guidance, support, and reward and help followers navigate their path to success. James Godman also exhibited situational leadership by adjusting his leadership approach based on the context, task, and the reading of this theme. Leadership lessons from James Godman and Andy Jassy. Insights for aspiring leaders in various industry. Andy Jassy taught us the importance of innovation, perfection, and vision of in leadership. He showed us how to create products that delight customers and disrupt markets. James Godman taught us the importance of sustainability, adaptability, and motivation in leadership. He also showed us how to balance the profit and exposure and how to lead teams with different needs and situations.
So these are the references. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.